Hello there, and welcome back to more problems on combinations. I kept my computer on the screen where we finished so that I can just turn the page and get to these word problems. And I am going to zoom just a little bit so we can look at just one at a time. On Monday, an online movie service makes 10 new releases available for streaming. Your membership allows you to select 3 of the new releases. So how many ways can this be done? In your formula is combination equals NR. And I did it again. We don't need that equal sign. This is just showing me the combination of N and R. And what this means is the combination of the movies released, the number of movies released, and you get to choose 3. So you can think of this as bivariate data. You've got 2 variables. You've got the movies being released and the number you get to choose. So our formula is going to say there are 10 movies released. I get to choose 3 for my streaming. And this is the problem that we need to solve. So we're going to use our calculators. Here are the basic keystrokes, and we have to substitute in our data. So the first variable is the number of movies released, and that's 10. And the second one is always the amount you get to choose. And we get to choose 3. So if we type this into the calculator, all clear, 10, shift 2, 3 equals, you have 120 different options, which is not bad. It doesn't tell me how much I'm spending on membership, but that's a lot of choices for 10 releases. Okay, at an amusement park, there are 8 roller coasters you want to ride, but you just have time to ride 4. How many ways can you choose the 4? Okay, order doesn't matter. There's not a first place, a second place, or so on. So this is a combination, and the formula does not have an equal sign. I'm going to have to start slapping my hand. Write that. So number and choices. So what we're looking at here are the number of coasters. I'm just going to say RC, roller coasters. And remember, this one, second one, is always what you choose. So we have the number is 8. And we are going to choose 4. We get to choose 4. Doesn't matter the order that we ride them in. We just have to do 4 of them because of time. So here's the calculator steps. And in this problem, number of coasters. Last time it was number of movies. Number of passengers, and this is the number that we choose. That's always your second piece. So there are 8 roller coasters. I'm going to choose 4 of them. And so let's do the math on the calculator, and we'll see what our combinations will be. So all clear, 8, shift 2, 4 equals. You have 70 possible choices. Possible combinations, because order doesn't matter. And there are 2 examples of combination word problems. Knowing that little formula will help you tremendously. CNR, and remember your number comes first and then your choices come second. Okay, in the next video, we will look at how to calculate probability. So I will see you soon.